you fit talk out loud. How long you don dey work for this place?
Me?
Yeah.
I've been teaching of this. It reached almost 5 years.
5 years. You don dey drive this Okada.
Why you ask me this kind of question? What about
Police dey disturb na here.
They are doing their duty now.
Police dey do their duty.
Yes.
You be police.
I was once a gallant man.
Once a gallant police.
I was once a gallant man. When
I
say
ask you not a gallant man.
Gallant
Police.
is the adjective.
Adjective.
It compresses everything.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
You know the person
Are you sure?
You know the person.
Are you gallant? You are not gallant. See your whole suit.
This one is different.
Who be Papa?
Underline that word. Underline that W-A-S.
Papa Pillow. Papa Pillow.
Pillow. You know the pillow.
All right, quick if you just watch me live on Street Channels on Wazobia TV. Today I just decided to enter street to make I find trouble, look for trouble, but the trouble not the two come. This guy today flexible, not the flow for the trouble. But still on the matter Street Channels. Today I'm out for the street. Quick there. Anyhow it won't be today. Check it out. Street Channels channel 195. Start time. Oh. How far now? How you doing? How far are you doing? Person like you na bad thing. Person like you na bad thing. Person like you na bad thing. So person no go like you again. You not like me?
I don't like you.
Why you not like me? What I do when me you not like me? What I do when me you not like me? Where you come from? Where you come from?
Why you want me?
Mara, wait, never go. I must marry this girl. Come on, have fun. How you go be there? For where we want to meet now? My lord, for where you go? I beg now. Follow go where? You dey go. All right, so the matter, looking for trouble everywhere. Must get that trouble. I don't think go find that soldier man trouble. You say what? You say what? Why no put you? You say what? Why not find trouble? My friend. No, but you know I never find in trouble. You know the point me. You know the point me. They see Sojama. Sojama won't flog me. Far not go wrong. Yo, how far are you there? How far? You don't know when you work here?
Yeah, you don't.
You don't know when you work for here? Cobra. You be snake. You be snake. Why I go follow snake stand? I don't follow snake stand. So you be snake. God forbid. You say what? You say what? What did I say for you?
I get you dey sell.
So you dey sell Igbo here?
No, na oil.
Why you call the smoke Igbo?
This one na jedi.
So this one na jedi.
Oga police.
Why they smoke
Oga
Igbo?
police no be
Na
Igbo.
jedi,
Oga. Police no be Oga no be Igbo. Na jedi. Oga police go abi go smoke.
Well, I will slap your ear. Why you draw tattoo for body?
Jedi na.
For how long?
This one no be tattoo.
So now wait. Your own no be tattoo. Your own na mark the mark out. What you did the tattoo?
This one na dragon.
Na dragon be this? No, not be dragon.
No mind am.
Now what be this? You don't understand. Guy, they smoke Igbo this kind of hot afternoon.
No,
I'm say your brain not go balance.
All this guy wey dey this one go come out.
You say wetin? Which one dey come out? All this kind? No wahala. How long you don reach your house now?
Over 10 months.
You never reach house. Now this one you dey smoke make you forget your house address.
No, we don't forget house address.
You don't smoke forget your house address.
No.
All right, still on the matter. Make it. Madam, well done. No. How today? Where you come from?
Any place where I like.
Any place where you like. Now they come from. This woman rugged. Say any place where you like. Now they come from. Now, Iyabe should have your name.
I beat you now, I blame you.
She better say get some women supposed to be wrestler for this country.
If I beat you, you know where I go start.
Some women, for where you want start from?
You know now.
For where you want start from?
Go there.
I go just not. I go just. All right, still on the matter. Straight Channels on Wazobia TV. All right, you know, say sometimes we just go around to look for trouble, Make the trouble not go past you like that. Do that kind of thing now. Guy, they block my way now. Which one be your own now? Yeah. I just like that. I just look for trouble. Wow, I see they find trouble to go sharp. Sometimes when you want buy groundnut, people like say you want test. But not be test, you want test. You just test. Like that. Hello. How far? Come on road. How they sell groundnut? How they sell them? Come now. Yeah. No, I don't test. Man, not test. Man, not test. So when you do, you just bring 15 naira home. You just do go test. Sometimes you can't test past the amount when you're supposed to. Man, still test. Man, test more. Man, they test, Kabi. God bless you. You all test. Even the one test, don't pass this one. Don't test, don't pass this one. And you always. Let's go back with it now. How far now? Now we baby this. Last mark! Last mark! This guy know me. This guy know me. I hide my secret. Madam, how far now? Madam, how far? Come, where you dey run, they go? Follow me, follow me. Madam, where you dey run, they go? The man don't run, the woman don't run living. This thing. As I say today, na trouble I come find for road. I don't get anybody time today. Na trouble I come find. Madam, come collect. Collect your robe. Collect. You don't run enter shop. As I say today, na trouble I come find. Go find it, no. Madam. Now your pikin happy the boy. How are you? Are you a boy? Now boy. Ewo ni wọ́n fẹ́ fún wa. Ewo we wọ́n fẹ́ fún wa. How are you? How are you? How are you? Madam, why not allow this pikin go school? Oh, no, let's see. Yeah. Oh, boy. Yeah. Oga Fana, artist now. Oh, this is your belly, not be your. Na so God, na so they born you. Not be God do am. Do make you go born. This thing don't reach 2-3 children. I did this belly now. What to be your name?
No, my name right from beginning.
What to be your name?
But the name where I bear, I Godwin.
Godwin.
Yeah.
Because of Korede Bello.
You know what about that? I don't change.
Now, the little say, now, only poor man and they sing that song. Now, only poor man they sing that song. Wait till we pay me pass, and I went Alaye go. Allah say, I don't get a lot. God will. Which can work Alaye they work. When we take get a lot.
God will do anyhow.
Anyhow for where? Now which magic? African magic.
Any magic
like that.
happen.
Any magic can happen. To make you go born.
You know what?
To make you go born.
I don't hear. You know what now?
Come for Nigeria. For Nigeria.
Wazobia,
if you get big belly like this.
I should be Wazobia. Me have been talkative.
Forget that thing. Talkative like carry big belly the waka. Forget that thing. I wish can belly be this. Check that belly where. After I go say my wife not get belly, my wife not get belly. My wife don't have the fruit of the womb, and you are carrying the fruit of the womb.
Your wife not get belly.
How can you say that?
Wait.
How are you? How you doing? You don't fear? Why you don't fear? What's your name? Ify, where? Are you from where? From where? Eh? I'm the same. I'm the same. Put a wicked do. What be true? They're not wicked. Hold on. Why do you use earpiece? What are you doing at the crossroads? Don't say this way you are not good. You're going to make you know the year well. They call the answer well. No, they run things well. Yeah, I like you. I go be there. Yeah? Me and you go out. Why? You get boyfriend? You don't get? Are you searching? Are you searching? Are you single searching? No one you want. You just want it like that to be angel. Even angel nowadays they come down from heaven, they call also that. Eh? Why that? Why? How far? They say we have two people in this life. Serious ones and the unserious ones. These are the people that are also. Guy, what's make your face to be like that? Can't face with that. Your face come here, man. Alright, still on the matter, street chance. The noise when they there too much. The noise when they there too much. So may I follow this woman manage your umbrella they go. Madam, how you dey? Madam, how now for market you dey come? From where? Shango Water. Eh? Hospital. Oh yeah, for maternity checkup. Hey, yeah, how the baby is kicking at it. Is it a boy again? I know if he ask you. Yeah. Rasta man, Beke! I know them no respect to the most side. Beke, Buyaka. I Babylon soldier. Yeah, respect. I man, what are your name one?
My name is
Titi.
Yeah.
Titi Mwan. That's a long time you've been in the reggae business.
Yeah, I started from South Africa.
South Africa. You're back to Nigeria.
Yeah.
How long you been to Nigeria?
About 2 years now.
2 years now. And nothing going on.
I'm still working. I'm just coming from the studio.
From the studio?
Yeah.
You are working onto a reggae stuff?
Yeah, reggae stuff.
And is there anything like, well, can you give us, if you give us any sample of your reggae stuff? Police show, not show for this, you know.
The music I'm doing now, you see, the reggae I'm doing now, I'm talking about the mother something.
The mother something?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm talking about, you see, it's all about mother.
Mother.
Yeah.
Mama
taking care of the children.
Taking care of the children, little ones.
We can never forget our mother.
Yeah, can you give me a lyrics? Just give me a lyrical one. Madam, wait, I dey come for you. Yeah, give me one lyric.
Mama Songola, Papa Songola, Mama Songola, Papa Songola.
Yeah, man, yeah. Respect. I'm standing by side, you know what I'm talking about. I'm standing with one man they call Titi man. Titi man. Even me myself, I don't know which how they talk. Thank you very much. God bless you. All right. Where that far too man? Today we'll go find trouble today. Say no one. Thank God say run, leave orange. I'll chop orange. 300 for one. Not good. You see how much? 300. Not good. Shebina, you sabi talk. Can't talk now. 300. Come move. Can't talk. 300. Madam, come collect your money. Come collect your money. Madam, come collect your money. Come collect your money, oh. I know they go. They watch me live on Street Channels or Wazobia TV. Today I decided not to throw any topic. I just started to find trouble. Most of those things when they happen for this country. Just there. This orange big shot. But I must lick up. 300 300 Madam. Now the woman will get the orange with this. Sorry. Now the woman will get the orange with this. she cover her hair because she dey work with Boko Haram before. So now so that they cover their head for north. But you know make it, madam wait today. Oh sorry, Nana.
Leave my head.
Nana know why this woman don't show her
Leave my
hair.
head. Leave my head.
Man, leave your head. Man, leave your head. I know if you hold your head now. Oh yeah, madam, take your money now. How best spirit go to collect money from man? No, now Baba said for me. Bo. Oh yeah, complete my orange for me now. Take. Complete the orange. Yeah, give me the 3 when remain. I don't collect and finish, no worry. No worry though. Without the good. All right, if they watch me live, now so we turn the rabbit show up now. You see, you must show yourself today. Show yourself! All right, take it there. Still on the street channels of Wazobia TV. Making our touch that channel 195. Street channels. Make it there. Make it. Show yourself!
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.